Welcome back, Hornets. It's a beautiful Thursday here at VCHS. We're your host, Jacob.
And I'm Addie. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today for lunch, we'll be enjoying cheeseburger with baked beans, cucumbers, potato wedges, a frozen treat, and as always, a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Avalon, and here are today's top 5 news stories. 1. Walgreens testing body-worn cameras for employees. 2. Kansas's Forest 3D printed house being constructed in Topeka. 3. 3 high school students died after being hypnotized by their principal. 4. North High School prom was canceled as the Eagles concert overtook their venue. 5. 31-year-old porta-potty company brings in a $4.3 million a year after calling itself an AI-proof business.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Pariah. An outcast. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Ralph Waldo Emerson.
With spring break just 2 days away, let's check in with some of our Hornets to see what they have planned.
My name's Colton Roach, and my spring break plans are just hanging out at home.
My name's Enrique Helguera, and my spring break plans are probably going out with family.
My spring break plans are probably going to be playing pickleball outside with my neighbors and really just hanging out with friends, you know?
My name is Brooklyn Clausen, and my spring break plans are to go to Missouri for a sleigh ride.
My name is Aaron, and my spring break plans is I'm going to be celebrating my birthday because it is during spring break.
Speaking plans, let's take a look at some upcoming VCHS events you can still attend.
We would like to congratulate our fellow Valley Center High School students on the completion of their CNA program and pinning ceremony today. If you are interested in the program for the next school year, please reach out to Mrs. Allen.
Still looking for the perfect prom dress? Come shop from the Topeka Prom Dress Drive, March 10th and March 12th from 3 to 4 p.m. in the VCHS library. The best part, it's all free.
The Valley Center High School Band program proudly presents its pre-contest band and jazz performance tonight at 7 p.m. in the VCHS auditorium.
With a warm, windy day ahead, let's take another look at today's weather.
Hello, I'm Izzy Schrog, and here is today's weather. Today we have a high of 64 degrees with sunny skies and winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Tonight we'll have a low of 44 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
March 12, 1938. In Europe, Nazi Germany's troops march into neighboring Austria. The next day, Adolf Hitler annexes his homeland. Austria remains part of Nazi Germany until the final days of World War II. 1933.
My friends, I want to talk for a few minutes with the people of the United States about banking.
President Franklin D. Roosevelt gives the first of his fireside chats on radio. He tells Americans what steps he's taking to deal with the Great Depression. 1980. In Chicago, a jury finds John Wayne Gacy Jr. guilty of murdering 33 men and boys. Bernard Carey is the prosecutor at Gacy's trial.
Certainly in the history of this country, there's been no single murder trial with as many victims, nor, I think, we'll ever find a man as evil as John Wayne Gacy.
The next day, Gacy is sentenced to death. He's executed more than 14 years later. 1912. Juliet Gordon Low creates the Girl Guides, which later become the Girl Scouts of America. And 1987.
At the end of the day, you're another day older. And that's all you can say for the life of the poor.
In New York, the musical Les Miserables opens on Broadway. Today in history, March 12th. Ross Simpson, The Associated Press.